Hello, my fun reading friends. This is Miss D from Read to Me Miss D. This is where we can have our stories come to life and imagination can take flight. We're going to be reading about Splat the Cat and the obstacle course. Have you ever been on an obstacle course? They are a lot of fun. This is based on a creation by Scotton. So remember that if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to hit the notification bell. And we are going to dive into this magical adventure with Splat the Cat. I don't know, it looks like he's not keeping his balance very well. Said Splat with a sigh. He stretched and looked outside. It was a sunny summer Saturday, a day full of possibility. Splat, his dad called. You are taking your sister to dance class today, remember? No, thought Splat, that was today? But Dad, Splat argued. Plank made an obstacle course in his backyard. But Mom was firm too. Dad and I have to clean out the garage, she said. Splat could not argue with that. So Splat took Flo to dance class. They had to walk right by Plank's house. At dance class, Splat sulked. What kind of excitement was he missing at Plank's? Here, there was nothing interesting to see. This is what he was watching. And I think he may have been bored. On the way home, Flo spotted the fun at Plank's. Ooh, said Flo, what's that? Flo went in to check out the obstacle course. You're too little, Splat called after her. Maybe you can watch. Splat looked around. Whoa, he said in wonder. Plank's obstacle course was stunning. Wow, look at all the stuff. Oh, that looks fun. Yoo-hoo, Splat, Flo called from the hanging rings. Splat gasped. Flo, be careful. His little sister was in danger, and Splat was in charge of her. I will save you, Splat shouted. Splat started across the rings. His arms got tired in the middle. Now Flo was on the bridge. Splat had to get to her. Flo, I'm coming, he cried. Splat almost slipped off the bridge, caught himself, then made it across upside down. Meanwhile, Flo was halfway across the stepping stones. Slow down, Flo, Splat cried. You'll trip and fall. Just then, Splat stubbed his toe on a stone. Whoa! It looks like he might fall down. Splat bounced off the trampoline. Splat flipped over Flo. Oh my goodness. Splat landed in the mud. Splat. Wow, Splat, said Plank. You got the fastest time so far. Well done, Flo said. But it was Splat who was impressed with Flo. Her strength, her balance, her speed. That's my sister, Splat declared proudly. The next Saturday, Plank's obstacle course was still open. Rematch? Flo asked Splat. Splat nodded. But first, Splat said, dance class. So I think he realized that his sister learned a lot in her dance class, didn't she? Oh, thank you so much for reading with me today. I had a lot of fun. And I'm glad you spent this special story time here on Read to Me Miss D. Remember, reading these pages together helps us grow, imagine, and learn. I can't wait to read with you again. Don't forget, if you want this book, you can go into the descriptions, and I have a link for you. And I appreciate you being with me. Bye-bye now from Miss D.